All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says solve for k. All right, and we have here it says j is 1 divided by k times f times s. So you can solve this problem in a lot of different ways. It really is your choice. So if we're looking at this k, I think the way I personally would want to tackle it is I kind of want to get that k out from underneath that fraction. Okay, so if I want to mess with this k and get it out from under that fraction, so right now it's 1 being divided by k. So what I can do here is I can just multiply both sides by k, and that'll give me a k over here, and that'll make these k's cancel. So if I multiply this side by k, I'll put it right there, and I'll put a k over 1 because that's how you can write a fraction. And I multiply this side by k, cool, that's just kj. Okay, so these k's cancel, right? K divided by k is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So now I get a nice kj is f times s. Nice. All right, so if we look at that, well, why is this k not alone now? Well, this k is not alone now because it's being multiplied by j. All right, well, what is the opposite of multiplying by j? Well, we can divide by j. So I divide both sides by j. Those j's cancel. And I'm going to get k is f times s divided by j. And there you go. Now, you could have gotten this answer a different way. You could have also gotten this by first dividing both sides by fs. So you get j over fs. Then you have to go through the same process to get this out from under there, and you would end up here anyway. But I think this worked pretty well. All right, fast video there. As always, subscribe below if you want to be notified when I make you more practice videos. And if there's something you want to see, something you need to practice, something you need help with, leave a comment below, and I'll make that problem for you. All right, thanks, bye.